called asm4, which is very similar to the asm3 challenge. I'm going to be using the same technique. So with this challenge, it says, what will asm4 PicoCTF return? Submit the flag as a hexadecimal value starting with OX. No, your submission for this question will not be a normal flag format. So we get the source code. So we're going to do this how we solved the previous challenge, where we basically what we did was pass the assembly code into a C program, and then we ran both programs and we were able to get the answer, except they're trying to like decode the answer, or decode the C format or the assembly code. So test us, we get all this assembly code, which we could try to decode it, but it's not really what we're trying to do. So what I could do is basically just copy this and just have ChatGPT remove all this unnecessary stuff. So like, can you remove plus number all of them? Got it. And then oh wait. Jump to A1. Yeah, that's the opposite code, so that's correct. I think that should be good. So that should be good, and from here we could basically go something like this. Nano So we could do something like this. Nano asm dot asm4 dot s, and then input our value. Oh no, that's not that. Input this right here, copy the code, put it like that, but then we're gonna go all the way up, and so that we can make it I guess our code readable to everyone else, we'll do dot intel syntax, and then no prefix, and then dot asm for $, greater global asm4. Okay, now we got that, and now we want to be able to write our C code. So nano solve the C include My bad if I'm sleepy. stdio.h and main, and then we're gonna just basically write out our function, which is print f, and then we're gonna include the values that we want to input it. So it's gonna be flag 0x percentage x and asm4, and then we're gonna input the value that we want. In this case, it's gonna be this. After that, we should be good. Now if we run this command, -c asm4.s /o asm4.o, then fno stack protector no pi. Hopefully this works. Did you mean dash? Oh. No, yes. I think it just might be global. I'm trying to think what could go wrong with this. Hey, I think I just put like this. It's not global asm4, that should be fine. Okay, that worked. So now we gotta be able to do it on the next one, which will be GCC. Then I'm gonna do solve. Solve.c and then solve.o. Okay, nano main solve.c. That makes sense because it needs to be a separator. What was the okay, it's just a warning, so we're fine. And now if we try running it or compiling it together, so we could like actually connect it, which will just be the exact same thing, but with this time with just O's. O, and then asm O. That should work. GCC -m32-o. Oh wait, -o dot a.o. GCC dash main dash o a.l solve up. Yeah, I got a warning, which is fine. So let's see. Then after that, GCC dash M32 dash O A dot out solve dot O asm4 dot O no pi A dot then A dot A flag is that. So now we basically copy that and just put that right there. Will now be so submit the flag as a hexadecimal, so like that, and that solves that challenge. So yeah, that's about it. So we basically followed the exact same steps as we did last time. We basically compiled the following code into assembly or formatted a little bit different than what it is here, and after that we wrote C code that we did last time, so C to call the assembly code, and after that we just basically linked them together using the following commands, and from there we just ran the executable and we got the flag. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys learned something new today. I know I did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.